Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to transfer photos from laptop to mobile. So in order to transfer the photos, you can use a USB cable for direct connection and file transfer, or you can also use the leverage cloud services like Google Drive or OneDrive. Alternatively, you can also do so by using the Bluetooth or the phone link app. Here I'm going to teach you the easiest way. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome, or if you have the Drive application, you can also open it directly. If you have opened the Google Chrome, click on the search bar and type in drive.google.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Google Drive will be opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. If you upload the photos in Google Drive, you'll be able to access that photos from anywhere, from any device. All you have to do is be logged into that account in Google Drive. So what you have to do is click on the option New. Now click on the option New Folder, or if you want to upload the photos directly, you can also click on the option File Upload. I'm just going to create a folder and upload the photos. So simply click on the option New Folder. Now you'll be able to name the folder. Here I'm just going to name it Photos. Now click on the option Create. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the Photos folder has been created. What you have to do is click on it to open. Now that folder will be opened. Simply right click. Now click on the option File Upload. Now you can see over here you'll be able to select the file, go to the desired destination. Simply click on the photos that you want to upload. In order to upload the multiple photos, you can simply press Shift on your keyboard and select all the photos like this. Now click on the option Open. Now you can see over here the photos are being uploaded. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here the photos have been uploaded. Now you'll be able to access these photos from your mobile. Simply log into Google Drive and download these photos. So like this, your photos will be transferred to mobile. So that is how you transfer photos from laptop to mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.